Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your Bitcoin investments with Cash App, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Cash App from your device's App Store. Create an account by entering your email address or phone number. Follow the prompts to verify your identity, including linking your bank account. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Investing tab on the home screen. Select Bitcoin to begin your cryptocurrency investment journey. Look for the Buy button to purchase Bitcoin using cash from your linked account. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you wish to buy, or specify a cash amount you are comfortable investing. Review the transaction details to ensure accuracy before proceeding. Confirm the purchase by tapping on the Confirm button. To scale your investments, consider setting up an automatic purchase plan. Navigate to the Bitcoin section and look for the option to schedule recurring buys. Choose the frequency that suits your investment strategy, whether daily, weekly, or monthly. Decide the amount you want to invest with each automatic purchase. Save your settings and confirm the recurring investment plan. Monitor market trends regularly to determine the best times to adjust your investment strategy. Consider using analytics tools to track the performance of your Bitcoin investments. Stay informed on news and developments related to Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market. Be prepared to adjust your investment strategy based on market conditions and your financial goals. Regularly review your investment portfolio to evaluate its performance. Diversifying into other cryptocurrencies could also be an option for further scaling your investments. Always invest only what you can afford to lose and maintain a long-term perspective. By following these steps, you can effectively scale your Bitcoin investments with Cash App. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.